रुको रुको, अच्छा वीडियो लो यार.
Hi guys, I just shot for Netflix the rap, which probably will release.
Did anyone ask?
Wait, now I'm telling you why I'm looking like this. This is not how I usually come.
No, that's what I came to you thinking. Well, someone is prepared to move into the house already. This relationship is moving too quickly.
Are you excited or not?
I'm very excited. We can put like 2 vlogs a week of just what you guys are up to. You wanna reveal what's in your purse?
There's a rapper, because I'm a rapper. In Netflix video is coming, which is a rapper. There are these wet wipes, antiseptic.
Nice.
For COVID times. Oreo for Tanmay.
Thank you. This is the tax you have to pay when you come to the house. Did you just say Oreo for Tanmay because he's fat?
No, I wouldn't say that.
Get the fuck out of my house.
Highlighter, because
This is also for me. Thanks.
it's all very expensive. Hey, if any makeup brand wants to do integration with me, I am a very good makeup integration person. Because these boys to won't do, but I do. And I'm going to start making vlogs. You can follow my channel.
Akash, that clingy thing that keeps wanting to hang out with you has come home again.
Baby, I'm here! Baby!
Akash, I tried to stop her like you asked me to, but she's not listening.
I'm coming!
And this is back. Bastard. Why are you back? Why? Okay, so Div, what are we doing today?
Okay, so we're starting with Diva row, where you're holding the barbell, getting a butt lower, pulling it to your chest, getting it down. Okay, 3.
Oreo for Tanmay.
This is that. Okay.
Next one, we're doing incline dumbbell bench press. Get the dumbbells onto your thigh, drag it onto your shoulders, press the dumbbells up.
Okay, got it. Okay.
And the last one, you've got incline push-ups. So place your palms all the way up, push your hips forward, get your chest all the way down.
गान बना मुझे नहीं करना है मैं जा रहा हूँ नहीं It's sex police, put your hands up. Where's Aishwarya? It's sex police, hands up. We have detected sex in this room. I'm not coming inside. But thanks for letting me know. Okay, this is where we cut the vlog.
There's so much blood.
You did it on purpose, no?
No man, my period came after 4 months, guys. If you have PCOD, please get it checked. This is not a joke. You can get endometriosis if you don't get it checked. Hey, Shantam, what is this background?
Do your periods get late if you're having too much sex?
Huh?
Maybe it's your body saying बहुत ज़्यादा sex करी है भाई रुक जा.
Then it should have started 4 months back.
Aishwarya's parents, if you're watching this, like, share, subscribe.
Please, I have a pregnancy test video on
That's
my
true.
channel.
That's
This will barely scandalize my parents.
Oh, you have your periods, Aishwarya? I couldn't guess.
What a sweet boyfriend, yeah.
He got a what?
Yeah, Samne. I asked him to get Meftal, and after the whole Sitafal ice cream debacle,
Telling you start vlogging, shit gets better. I saw Aishwarya's story, so like Aishwarya घर पे अच्छा content बनाते हैं. I just bursted.
hello. T-shirt छोड़
कहाँ है? दो थोड़ा.
You wanted me to be part of the raid.
Aishwarya like, what raid? See, I don't have it.
I heard that you guys do a reading on.
No, not that. Not this different kind of rating. That rating has less period blood in it. Nishan bhai was ready to come with me, then he heard me yelling sex police. Then he was like, चलो मैं कटता हूँ, मैं जाता हूँ. Guys, मेरा personality बाहर रह गया, मैं लेकर आता हूँ एक second. Aishwarya, you're so good for the vlog, man. I love it.
Guys, my video is getting edited right now. As we speak, it's getting edited.
So in 7 or 8 months, you guys can check it out on our channel. Make sure you subscribe to it.
Why you don't tag me?
Because you're not consistent. There's no benefit for me to tag you.
No, for me. there
What is the point of getting subscribers if you don't fucking upload?
No, if there will be more subscribers, then I'll feel responsible.
Yeah, I'll tag you.
Okay. I got it. But it's really getting edited, and Revant was like, you know what, I'll change things.
Revant is editing.
Yes.
Why is Revant editing your vlog?
Why not?
Here it's my vlogs.
So?
There's 3 other vlogs left to edit.
No, but I gave it to him when you were not doing vlogs.
Last month.
Yeah, I was like, hey, do you want to? And he said, yeah, I'm anyway not doing it.
Why can't you find your own editor?
What is your problem?
How much will you leech from me, Aishwarya? My flatmate, my subscribers, my editor.
Just shut up. I am not leeching. This I found on my own. Way before you came into my life, he came into my life.
मुझे खुद मिला था ये गाड़ी की ये मैंने रेस्क्यू किया
This is all me.
You picked him up, you took him to the vet, you cleaned him up, then you got him home.
इसे
Yeah.
मैंने इंसान बनाया है
I adopted, okay? I didn't buy from you, I adopted.
Good breed, no?
Best breed. I'm selling Akash, like, they don't know the worst parts of him.
Like what?
This will happen on my vlog. Guys, from now on, all the fights and everything will happen on my vlog. Why am I still talking in video?
What will I get then?
Before our wedding, I want to have one like conversation with you, which is how much you will get out of it. You cannot come and just be like, oh, मैं यहाँ का जयकांत शिकरे and just go.
You're wedding your vlog.
I have to monetize.
Okay, that's a deal. You can have your wedding.
I
Okay.
can have my wedding. No,
Yes.
And don't make that honeymoon joke. I swear. Wedding कर ले.
Okay, you can have wedding and honeymoon. I want first child.
We're not having children, so you can just take.
Akash? Feels like you're not being consulted.
Just open your mouth and say fast. What is this pause for effect?
Hey Akash, say that again, and then I'll zoom into you. Just wink into camera, okay?
Yeah.
You won't have kids. Aishwarya, what is he saying?
You don't know how to wink also.
Yuck! Yuck!
Licking. I just want to say. Someone save me fast. I've been held captive by 2 vlog sluts. Please.
Sit down. दारू पिएगा?
He's just happy to be in the room with everybody else.
I think he's saying get off me.
Not the threesome Akash was hoping for. Get up. Kiss again. Good boy.
So Jack, do you know about small kids?
He's found something. He's found something shiny. Where's it gone? Where's it?
Neck really turns around.
Sorry. Ammi.
Ammi?
Why did your religion change?
Yeah.
अम्मी क्यों बोला तूने?
That's why I said Ammi.
अब्बू जान कहाँ जा रहे हो?
What do you call him?
Umma.
Umma. Correct.
उम्मा.
Umma, that too.
Means kiss. Korean we say Umma is kiss. Ayyo.
आकाश is like चुम्मा होता है वो.
Shame is being seen. Just covered.
Yuck.
I'm not. I'm protecting his honor. His balls were seen.
Why do you look so happy?
I like big balls and I cannot lie. You other brothers can deny. When a chat walks in with the itty bitty waist and a wrong thing in your face, yeah.
चलो
Walk. Come.
Maya?
Come.
चिली फ्लेक्स that's चिली फ्लेक्स अरे नहीं तेरा ही गांड चलेगा सोच रही थी एआईबी का स्केच ना मेरा गांड फट गया
अरे मेरा गांड चल गया.
Now Tanmay will put also that old auntie will come now here and voiceover will say, "Hi, मेरा गान चल गया."
इतना बढ़िया एडिट आता तो मेरे एडिटर को क्यों ले रही तू? हाँ? खुद एडिट करना.
What is mera tera in this? हाँ, my wedding you want hijack over? I'll say over mera over there. You'll come and do Kanyadan, no?
You will say Hamara wedding or 3 of y'all.
You see any vlog where I am there, it's just like Tanmay will be hacking their wedding, some crap like that. But I'm okay with me.
You can't enjoy my followers and diss them at the same time.
What do you mean enjoy your followers? I don't think half of them also follow me because then my followers will be what?
Are you asking them to follow you?
Oh, isn't it obvious? Why do you think I do all this monkey nonsense over here? It's for the followers only, na?
People follow those who post content.
I do on Instagram. I'm not even talking about increasing my YouTube subscribers. I'm talking about Instagram followers.
So they should not follow on YouTube.
Shut up. Follow wherever you want.
Dropping a LinkedIn address in the description. Happy Diwali!
I was right here. How can you scare me when I'm right here? Happy Diwali, everyone.
Look how nice everyone's looking.
Diwali.
What is? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Wow. There's only one problem with Diwali in the house, which is that this idiot
Will eat everything that
He's-
is in front of yeah.
he's eating all the diyas.
I think हमको जलाना चाहिए तो उसको डर लगेगा कि उससे थोड़ा दूर जाए. He is very different from other dogs. इसको ऐसा पटाखे इसको मजा आता है.
हाँ?
ये बैठ के देखता रहता है.
बहुत खुश होता है ये।
क्या दिया देख के?
हाँ दिया देखिए ये सब देख के।
तो खाने का जरूरत है क्या दिया? हेलो.
Mainly because you shout a lot.
देखो दिवाली पे थप्पड़ खाने हैं क्या? And of course, we are eating traditional Diwali dinner of momos today.
Veg momo.
Veg momo. Veg momo. ये देखो. Hello. What are you doing inside kitchen? Want ice? He loves ice. Wait. Will you eat another diya? Huh? Go. My dog is attacking my mom. Chat. Jump. Most dogs are scared of firecrackers except for this buffoon. It's over. Look at him. Stop trying to eat it.
Are you mad? Idiot. Oh fuck.
अरे पूरा रंगोली बिगाड़ के रखेगा तुम.
Guys, we're playing Mafia and Naveed is constantly getting Mafia and he's killing me.
How does it feel like dying in the first round?
Stop killing me. Stop it.
Stop taking attention in every round. People don't kill you in the first round.
अब तुम्हारे आस-पास आ रही बारात करना इनकार बार बार देना साथ अब तुम्हारे आस